Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play video on Google Meet with audio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Google Meet website and sign in using your account details. Once you're in, you'll notice a new meeting button. Click on that. From the options that appear, choose Start an Instant Meeting. This instantly creates a new meeting room for you without needing to schedule anything in advance. You'll now find yourself in an active meeting, ready to share your content. Next, look for the Present button at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on it. This is where the sharing process begins. You'll now see options to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. But before you proceed, make sure you check the box that says Share Tab Audio or Include System Audio. This step is extremely important. It ensures that your video's sound is transmitted to everyone in the meeting. Once audio sharing is enabled, select the Chrome tab containing the video you want to present. After selecting your tab, click on Share. Now, go back to that tab and simply play your video. Everyone in your Google Meet session should be able to watch and hear it clearly, just as you do. To make sure everything runs smoothly, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid lag or interruptions. And that's it. So that is how you can play video on Google Meet with audio. So that's all for this video. Thanks.